All right, so finally we have implemented the URL to get or attended by a specific user. I think I'm not using the standards here, so pardon me for my URLs. I think this is just an introduction course and then a beginner's course for people to understand what I'm not following strictly the Open API standards. So I created this URL, user attendance, all by users, all by user, and then return a list of showing attendance from the schema by identity base model class, and then this URL will be consumed by both admin and then the user. So as you can see, I pass in the current user ID. I decide not to take any parameter. So I get the ID from the current user, pass it to my show function to get the attendance. So in my show function, I have a query that filter or select all attendance that belong to a specific user by the ID that I pass. If not, I return an exception or I return the attendance if it is available. So that is all I did to get all user attendance. All right, so now let's revisit our functionality block and see what is left. So actually we have implemented most of the core functionalities, right? For both the admin and then the user. But admin also have to manage assignment of role and then editing of role to users. So we'll implement those functions as part of admin functionalities. We'll also implement function for admin to see all users as well. So watch out for that in the next video.